Executive protection agents, listen up. Advanced work, risk threat vulnerability assessments, proposals. How much should I be getting paid? How much should I be getting charged? How do I put this detail together? How many guys do I need for this operation? What should my concentric rings of security look like? These are all the types of questions that guys are grappling with. What should the security infrastructure look like for this operation? How can I make my client's itinerary safe? What are the best practices for solving these equations? This is exactly what Bravo Training Group is going to provide you with in our new Executive Protection AI Support Assistant. So we have taken some very strong language models and AI models, and we've got a prolific engine in this thing, and we have uploaded everything that we've been able to acquire and put together over the years of doing executive protection operations spanning all the way back to 2008. So operational knowledge that I've been comprising and compiling over the years is the new lens. Almost every word that I've uttered on executive protection, we're talking, close to 300 field notes, 70 hours of online content in our courses, our curriculums, thousands of different sources. We have put together and curated to tune an AI learning model to help you be successful in your executive protection career. Does my resume look good? What grade would you give me? How could I modify it? Where can I find the best executive protection jobs? On and on and on and on and on. It's all there at your fingertips, 24/7, never sleeps. It is one of the things I'm really excited to roll out to the executive protection industry. So if having your own executive protection AI assistant is interesting to you, check out the link beneath the screen. And we look forward to taking the executive protection industry and your career to the next level. I don't think AI will eliminate humans when it comes to private security and executive protection just yet. There's quite a bit of time before that, but I will tell you that humans who use AI will replace humans who don't use AI in the new game. Protection's more than just a job, it's a lifestyle. Let's go.